with another property tour, and today's location is Sahuarita, Arizona. We are 20 minutes away from the Tucson area, and we are at Meritage Homes' latest project, and it's Arbor in Madera Highlands. Now, if you're looking for a Meritage home and you wanted to live in the Madera Highlands area, this is their latest project, and this home is just absolutely gorgeous. Now, this home we're about to take a look is 3 beds with a den, 2 baths, 2,083 square feet. And my favorite part about this home is the kitchen that we have in here. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's a very contemporary feel, and you're gonna feel right at home. Now, if this is your first time to the channel, I just want to stop right there and say welcome. Again, my name is Vanessa, your Tucson real estate agent, and really your resource here for all things Southern Arizona real estate. So whether you're buying, selling, investing, or relocating, I really want to be a resource here for you. So feel free to call me, text me, email me, send a comment down below and let me know where you are in the process, and let's connect face to face and find out what we can do for you. Now, feel free to subscribe to the channel. It really supports the channel, and it also motivates me to make more videos like this one. We really want to reach out to as many people as we can that are looking to buy or sell in the Tucson, Arizona area and Southern Arizona area. So like this video, hit that notification bell as well so you can be notified of new videos. I put out weekly property tours, and we'll be coming up with some new videos soon, so you want to stay tuned for that.
This home we're about to see has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, a 2-car garage, and 2,083 square feet of beauty. This home is a move-in ready, new construction home built by Meritage Homes. This neighborhood has a gated community, and it's sitting up on the beautiful community of Madera Highlands. You have an unobstructed view of the Sahuarita Mountains. You're 20 minutes away from the city of Tucson, all while being near Madera Canyon with the fascinating views. One thing I know about the new Meritage homes being built in our community is that they are very energy efficient. The home has spray foam insulation, which is a superstar of the show here. It lowers the energy bill. They include the spray foam inside the attic so that it reduces bug infestation, it reduces humidity, improves indoor air quality, reduces noise coming from the outside, weatherproof, and reduces the risk of fire in your home. And the most important one here in Arizona, it keeps your home cool during those summer months. If this is a home that you'd like to see in person, feel free to reach out directly and I'll be happy to show you the home. Now, other than that, enjoy the tour and welcome to your new home. Thank you so much for watching this video. Click on the video to the left to see a new video suggested by me. Make sure to follow me on social media and subscribe to this channel, which really supports me in creating more content like this one. Until next time.